Up the ante of your usual stir-fry with this sticky honey-soy chicken recipe. With just 10 minutes prep time needed, it's a delicious dinner without the hassle. First, place the honey, soy sauce, garlic, and vinegar in a small jug. Give it a good stir to combine. Next, pour half the honey mixture over the chicken in a large bowl and toss to combine. Set aside for 5 minutes to develop the flavours. Pour half the oil in a large non-stick stir-fry pan over high heat. Add the chicken in batches and cook, tossing until browned and just cooked through. Transfer to a heat-proof bowl and cover with foil. Wipe the pan clean. Heat the remaining oil in the pan. Add onion and stir-fry until lightly browned. Then add the carrot, bok choy stems, and capsicum and stir-fry until the vegetables are just tender. Return the chicken to the pan with the remaining honey mixture. In a small bowl, mix the corn flour with 1 tablespoon of water. Add to the chicken mixture and cook, stirring until the sauce thickens. Add cashew and bok choy leaves. Toss until the bok choy leaves just wilt. To serve, sprinkle with spring onion curls. Serve this delicious chicken stir-fry with steamed rice for the whole family to enjoy.